Hey everyone, this is SLR Time, and today I want to talk about how to get the images off of your phone, or how to actually easily share the images that you take with your phone, with your friend, colleagues, how to put them on the devices, how to put them in the cloud. So you got your phone, and obviously you love using it, you take millions of photos. But then when the time comes to share these images, it becomes a challenge. I mean, you can always message these instant message, or use the text or WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger or whatnot, but that's not really the most efficient way of sharing the images. And you can only select few multiple images at a time. But probably the worst thing is that the images get compressed down to, I don't know, 2 megapixels with a really high compression. So the original image that you take here could have 5 or 6 or 10 times the quality of the image that you sent to somebody. You might not even realize that because it still comes through as a fairly decent image. But if you're a purist and somebody else maybe wants to use those images for something else, then maybe they want to print it, maybe they want to do a nice portrait on a wall or whatnot, or process it in Photoshop or other programs, they would require a higher resolution photo, or a photo that's close to the original quality. And that's where I want to recommend to you Google Photos. Let me raise this up a bit here. Okay. I want to recommend to you Google Photos because they really found a good solution to this problem. They just recently, about a year or maybe 2 years ago, introduced unlimited storage with all of their Google accounts. So if you don't have a Google account, go set one up. It's real easy. You'll just have johnsmith@gmail.com. If you have anything gmail.com, you already have a Google account. You just need to go to your phone and go into the Google Photos app. So set up the app, download it. It's real easy. So what I'm getting at is Google offers a way of you having, they offer you unlimited storage up in their cloud, up on their servers, wherever those servers are. That storage is redundant. That means you don't have to worry about backups. Your photos most likely will be accessible years from now. Although, you always should be safe than sorry. I would still back up your photos somewhere else. But the point I'm trying to get at is Google offers the best way of sharing and accessing your photos anytime when you're connecting to the internet. They scan all these photos. They do face recognition. They do object recognition. They know the GPS coordinates. They put them on a map. They group similar photos together. They let you create albums with other people that have Google Photos. And it just makes for a really nice and efficient way of being able to use the photos that are stuck on your device with other people. Also, how they get around offering unlimited storage is that they reduce the quality a bit in these photos. They downres them to 16 megapixels, and they use some, I think, proprietary compression, where they keep the information image is pretty much really good. I mean, it's like the details kept, but the file sizes are much smaller than what they are from the phones. So Google is like a really nice way of putting all the images that are stuck on your phone into the cloud, and for you to be able to do something else with them. You can even order books or prints or whatnot. You can share them between people. You can set up family albums where you take some pictures, you add them to the album. Other people can contribute to the same album. So this way you get their photos and everyone's really nice and happy. You have all your together album, kind of, so to speak. They also offer some image tweaking options. So if your images don't come out that great, you can enhance them in there. But the biggest feature of that is that it's unlimited storage from any device. It doesn't have to be an Android phone. It could be an Apple phone. It could also be a PC or a tablet or anything. You just all ends up in one location, so it's really nice and easy to share. Also has, like I said, facial recognition. So if you want to just find pictures of your son or daughter or your aunt or whatnot, and it gives you a really nice timeline, so you can go back 10, 20, 30 years if your photos are properly tagged, obviously. If you don't have Google Photos and you're not familiar with it, what do you need to do? So pretty much the only thing you need to do is go to the App Store or Android Play Store, download Google Photos, set up your Gmail account. You do want to I recommend the option of Wi-Fi transfer only, because you can use your mobile data, and by default it comes with Wi-Fi setting. So whenever there's Wi-Fi on your phone or whatnot, it'll just upload all your images to the cloud. And then you have an option of removing those images from your phone. But keep in mind, they would only keep a copy up on Google servers. So if you really, really care about the images, or you don't trust Google, then hook up a cable or whatnot to your PC, plug in your phone, and back them up that way. Now, if you want detailed instructions on how to set up a Google account or how to transfer with the cable from your phone to the computer, put some comments below and let me know. I can go ahead and make a video about that as well. So that's it. I just wanted to say that the easiest way to share images from any device is to use Google Photos. I came up with this tip because recently I had somebody who wanted to share some images with me. They were texting me, but I was complaining that the image quality is too low. They didn't know what to do. Once I introduced them to Google Photos, they're like, well, this is amazing. Why didn't I know about this before? So anyway, just check out Google Photos. If you want detailed stuff, let me know in the comments below. Let me know also if you like this video or not. Did I move my hands too much or whatnot? So anyway, thanks a lot. Peace.